Boys Brigade citation. Books of the Bible and their chapters. Genesis have 50 chapters. Exodus have 40 chapters. Leviticus have 27 chapters. Numbers have 36 chapters. Deuteronomy have 34 chapters. Joshua have 24 chapters. Judges have 21 chapters. Ruth have 4 chapters. 1 Samuel have 31 chapters. 2 Samuel have 24 chapters. 1 King have 22 chapters. 2 King have 25 chapters. 1 Chronicles have 29 chapters. 2 Chronicles have 36 chapters. Ezra have 10 chapters. Nehemiah have 13 chapters. Esther have 10 chapters. Job have 42 chapters. Psalm have 150 chapters. Proverbs have 31 chapters. Ecclesiastes have 12 chapters. Song of Solomon have 8 chapters. Isaiah have 66 chapters. Jeremiah 52 chapters. Lamentation 5 chapters. Ezekiel 48 chapters. Daniel 12 chapters. Hosea 14 chapters. Joel 3 chapters. Amos 9 chapters. Obadiah 1 chapter. Jonah 4 chapters. Micah 7 chapters. Nahum 3 chapters. Habakkuk 3 chapters. Zephaniah 3 chapters. Haggai 2 chapters. Zechariah 4 chapters. Malachi 4 chapters. Matthew 28 chapters. Mark 16 chapters. Luke 24 chapters. John 21 chapters. Acts 28 chapters. Romans 16 chapters. 1 Corinthians 16 chapters. 2 Corinthians 13 chapters. Galatians 6 chapters. Ephesians 6 chapters. Philippians 4 chapters. Colossians 4 chapters. 1 Thessalonians 5 chapters. 2 Thessalonians 3 chapters. 1 Timothy 6 chapters. 2 Timothy 4 chapters. Titus 3 chapters. Philemon 1 chapter. Hebrews 13 chapters. James 5 chapters. 1 Peter 5 chapters. 2 Peter